How to fix call failed issue on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the call failed issue on iPhone. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your phone and open up your keypad. Now right here, what you'll need to do is type in *#31 and #. After you do that, just call this number and wait for it. Now after you do that, all you need to do is restart your iPhone. Now that is the first fix. Now if that does not work, what you'll need to do is you'll need to reinsert your SIM card. So try reinstalling your SIM card, just take it out and put it back in. Now, even after that, if it does not work, head over to your settings, go to General, and under General, scroll down all the way till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now right there, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. Here, reset all of your settings. After you tap on Reset all settings, you might have to restart your iPhone again, but after doing all of that, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.